Yo, yo. Alrighty, let's see. Gotta figure out my speakers. Because I don't have my, might not be able to hear the boys in T-Bull. But I don't have the TV that used to hang above my monitor. That's where the audio came out of. So I gotta figure that out. Do it later. Let's see. But yeah, I'm also not gonna be around like super long today because my mom flies in, so I gotta go pick her up. There we go. Alright, so we are live on TikTok and YouTube now. Let's go. I love Denver. There we go. All right, I think we're good. All right, TikTok's good, YouTube's good. Now we watch Amazon. Look for the gap fill. What's up? What's up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning to most of you again. I didn't even get to finish my breakfast, but you know what? That's okay. All right. Let's see. Spy, QQQ, Apple. Yeah, I mean, Amazon really looks to be the one today. So I'm gonna just get these contracts pulled up right away. I've been holding gold for a while, GLD. Actually, since like last year. Yeah, my speakers be messed up. Let's see. Oh my god, that speaker is awful. What's up? How's your morning? Yeah, I gotta buy some speakers. You guys hear Jada? Love it. 10 out of 10.
So funny yesterday on the gym.
Just saw a giant walking up towards me.
I got distracted. My ADHD kicked in, and then I ended up leaving without saying bye.
For real. I was looking for this man to say bye.
Don't me nothing. Don't say bye.
It's alright, I'll forgive you. Mainly Amazon. I like that gap fill. It started to fill it in the overnight session. So if we get above like 180.4, yes, we actually do go to the same gym, and there's a story behind that. Last time I was here was like what, 3 weeks ago. So he's like, "Yeah, meet me at the gym." All right. So Uber to this gym. It's like 30 minutes away, and he had to check me in to be a guest. I called him. He was like, "Dude, just get a membership." So ended up getting a membership there, and now we go to the same gym. It's nice though. That's about like how far I used to drive to go to the gym before I bought my house in PA. Plus, this is like a super nice gym, so I don't mind it. Maryland. What's up, Grizz? When you guys talk, does it echo at all? All right, cool. I just switched the speaker. Alrighty. Do you guys hear Jadon and Grizzly in the live stream? Or no? TikTok used to make it so you could pop the chat out. Oh, there it is. Cool. No, that blocks too much. Yeah, I don't have any like tools to put up the TV that I had. So once I get that figured out, you guys will be able to hear them better. That's where I used my speakers before. Oh, market's open. Let's do this. Let's get to the bag. I didn't even realize it was 9:30. Technically 7:30, but we're gonna go off Eastern time. And remember today is FOMC minutes, so jeez, Amazon is ripping. All right, I would like to see Amazon get a solid close above this 180.4 and then a pullback and retest. Better not just rip and fill the gap. I know, dude. It literally just shot up straight off the open. Let's see what happens if we get this pullback towards like 180.4. I'm gonna watch and see if we pull back towards 180.4. See what happens. You should do it. You should do it today. Today only. Watching this Amazon. Go ahead and try some. Stop out below like 180.10.
Someone said $20 for not trading. Should get a chance of not trading. Over 2 days trading.
Yes, sir. I'd like to see high day. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna take a trim up here.
job right now.
Take what I can get. Probably keep the stop around break even.
Scout for 7 minutes a day. Yeah. Yes, to be very picky. What I'm looking for,
Break this high day. We can hold strength above this 180.8. We should see that high day. There we go. All right, I trim my Amazon again. Got that new high day. Let's see if we can get this daily gap fill now. That's the final price target. 181.87. You guys have these Amazon calls with me? Hopefully some of you. They're up about $20 a piece right now. 23. We should get this gap fill. I don't see why they wouldn't. But I would keep the stop break even.
A shot random.
Thank you, sir. Nice little 20-something% trade. First 15 minutes, I'll take it, especially for FOMC day or minutes day.
It's really not done.
Yeah, I typically don't like trading before them.
Like last year, minutes were fine. It's like the push-ups give us a nice impact in the market, but this year it's just been not enough push-up. Every time they release. Good thing that happened yesterday. Telling you, reject from pre-market high, and we find our relative bottom. That's a. Expect now 5,600, not 700. Happy we put it every single day.
Gino, and you want to know what's nice? Where you at? Never mind. I ain't gonna tell him. For real. See if we get another high day on this Amazon. He'll come back in 5 minutes and say, "What's up, Brando?" Got about a 30% trade on this Amazon. All right, I went ahead and just took one more small trim just in case they don't fill the gap all the way.
You might.
What's up? It's dope. Like literally these views are crazy. You guys should have seen it on my Instagram if you guys are following me on there. It's just yeah, you gotta see it. What's crazy though, this is my first like real day with my setup in Denver. And guess what? There is a 99% chance I'm not gonna take another trade, which means I'm done trading. And it is 7:50 in the morning. That's crazy. Let's see. Did you guys catch the Amazon in the YouTube live stream though? I know it's a little delayed, but you guys should know my strategy. That was like a big reason moving to Colorado too. It's just that 2 hour time difference. Like it's crazy how much 2 hours can do. But like I'm done every day now at 9 a.m. trading compared to in PA it was like 11:30. Like I said, it's crazy how much a difference 2 hours can make. Yeah, we'll review that Amazon here in a couple minutes. I'll probably stop out here in profits. Beautiful trade though. Those contracts moved a little over 30%. I don't have the percentages on. All right, let's tell the squad. I'm all out of the rest of the Amazon.
Now we got Tesla.
Denver, downtown Denver. But I mean, honestly, Amazon could bounce here. I didn't have super high expectations for today because I typically don't like trading before FOMC minutes, but that Amazon was just, it was too good not to watch. Um, I mean, we could bounce here. It is that VWAP. I just didn't want to risk having the trade, the contracts end up going red. Like there was no point that they should go red because again, they moved 30, a little over 30%. So yeah, I mean, we can go over the trade. A reason I took it. The main reason I took it, one is if we zoom out to the daily, right? We saw this gap fill. Let's clean this disaster of a chart up. Hold on. There we go. So there we go. We have this huge daily gap fill, which means like there's literally no resistance until we get up in 180, 187, right? Like there's nothing to say that we're gonna reject. So in the overnight session, you can see that last week we were really struggling this entire zone right here to break through. So part of my pre-market plan was if we come down and retest this 179.11 and 178.80, that's an area I'm going to look for a bounce, right? So if we came down there, I'd look for the bounce just because, again, we broke above it, didn't retest it. But since we started gapping up in the morning, I was looking for us to close above this pre-market high. So you guys heard me say I want to see a solid close above pre-market high and then a pullback and retest of the level, right? So that level was 180.4. You see we rejected it here, all through here. And that's a strategy that I talk about in my books. So if you guys have the books, you should know about that setup. But also on top of that, if we take that retracement of the first 2-minute candles, right there, pivot low, pivot high, you see that we came down and we hit that 180.2, that 61.8, and then bounced back up. So that's why I ended up getting long, and my stop was right below the low of this candle right here. And then we were able to capture that move up. That's really the whole reason behind the trade. Plain and simple, A+ setup. Now watch Amazon's going to go fill the gap and probably run for the rest of the day. It's okay though. Again, didn't have super high expectations because of the minutes. But I will gladly take it. Of course. And again, hopefully you guys took it in the YouTube and the TikTok. Like literally free 99 to take that. All you guys got to do is interact with my content. That's all I ask in return. How far out did you go? I went with the 182.5s. We kind of had to. Even though I literally said earlier I don't go with the 0.5s. You had to with this Amazon. If you went too far, 185, then no, those aren't going to move. But I do like this ES. Yep, I'm here every single day. Air day. Now I am. Damn, SPY is ripping. Yeah, I don't know when you got into that Amazon, but we got in on this 2-minute candle right here. This 934 candle. So I don't know when you got in, but again, the contracts moved a little over 30% from my entry. Could have actually gotten a better entry too, because they dipped as low as 86. Let's see.
My stop that break even at 64864. You still get a massive moving direction, so I'm comfortable with that. Looking for PT of 18, 892, and 19, 906.
Oh yeah, you entered way too late. That's why.
Bada bing. I got back and we dropped my key. Congratulations, everyone.
Let's see. It's 10 o'clock. Oh, we got the news. There we go. Oh, now Amazon wanted to fill the gap. There you go. Great shit.
Awesome. This is
I'll watch this with Grizz. Maybe risk a little bit of profits. We'll see. Oh, that was that gap fill. Yeah, that's going to be a very high risk trade. But you know what? Depending on the price action, I might try it. If we dip down to that 560. Contracts are cheap enough to go with the 560s too. So we'll watch that. Bro, where's this thing at? Hold on, I'm just looking for something on Instagram. Then I'll read the chat with you guys. There we go. Alrighty. Oh, Apple's breaking above the level at 227.
one day aggressive reject on Tesla. You guys see that?
Alright, we good. I usually trade the first like hour and a half, 2 hours. Alright, I want to watch this with Grizzy. Amazon be moving now. 50%, 60% actually. All right, we are looking for the pullback. 12, 812, 812. All right, let's watch 560. Watch it with Grizzy. The only thing that I don't like about this SPY is that aggressive reject off of yesterday's high. But I mean, if we're gonna bounce, that would have been like right here. Would have been the level. This to 560 on SPY. But I don't know.
Try that Baltimore to go out to 560. So they can't see the Washington price action yesterday. It is prior.
I don't know if you guys can hear Jadon, but this is the same setup I took yesterday. Same setup I took yesterday that didn't work out, so I'm not gonna take it. I think I'm gonna chill with my Amazon. But you know, I hope it works out for you guys if you take it. It's just also the risk to reward really isn't there right now because you're risking, you know, about $20 to only make 25. That's if we get back up to this high. Obviously, you would want more than the high. But again, that was just such an aggressive sell. So if I'm going to look to enter, I'd like a better risk to reward. Again, ideally closer to 560. Oops. Again, does it look good? Yes, it's just I hate when the news candles are really what messes up technical sometimes. Because this was our news candle. We got that 10 a.m. news. We popped up, sold back off. So it's really skewing what I'm seeing. But again, if you guys are in it, I hope it works for you. It's just it doesn't meet my criteria. What should I buy in the long term today? You know, since we made some money off of Amazon, we'll buy some Amazon in the long term. All right, we bought some Amazon and maybe a little bit of Jeppy. Actually, no. I'd add a little bit of Coca-Cola. There we go. Amazon and Coca-Cola today.
postponed. Just not so much change. Postponed.
I mean, calls above, that's just so far away, you know what I mean? Like, and then the risk to reward isn't really there. Like I said, risk to reward, your best bet is this overall area. It's just those news candles really skew the price action. But again, risk to reward, it's here. I'm not taking it.
It's like postponed before in the last.
It's Meta going crazy. Oh yeah. Okay. You guys see Meta today? Nuclear. I will watch this Meta setup if we get closer to like maybe that 8 EMA or VWAP, just because we're so overextended from it. Like this is a setup I do really like to trade. We get super overextended from the 8 EMA, look for price to pull back to it, make a support, and then look for continuation. So anywhere from that 8 EMA to VWAP, we'll see. Do a nice little fair value gap there too. But I am going to keep that on my main screen. Possibly watch like the 540 calls. But if you guys are in SPY, you crack this 5639 level on ES, you should get that push. I need to move this. Keep hitting it. Just watching Meta. Sheesh.
Oh my goodness. Keep this on some long run was on Fomc. Not trying to fade, but same thing with yesterday.
Like I said, your risk or your risk reward was here. It's just we rejected off of yesterday's high with a pretty bearish candle. And again, the news makes it hard to. All right, let's watch this 8 EMA on Meta. 535. And again, like I said, the risk reward really wasn't there with that SPY as far as the contracts. Yeah, it really wasn't there because it aggressively sold off below where your stop would have been. Let's see, let's pull up QQQ real quick. Looks like we're trying to make a retracement.
Every time. Checking the market high and breaking it down. Then bouncing it after shaking the hands out. Which is what we've been doing. Literally the past few weeks.
Brandon Trades, I'm the only verified one on Instagram. They could potentially bounce QQQ here. This is definitely this 481.25 down to 480.85 is the level. But again, that's me talking without a position. Here's your little golden pocket right there. Plus, you have that VWAP confluence there. So, I mean, could end up bouncing. Could have definitely scalped that for about 20 points. But again, main thing I'm watching is Meta. It's really what I would like to trade today. Possibly a bull flag.
Still the same thing.
I'm watching this with you, Jadon. Like 560 to 559.8.
It's one I was thinking right here, 561 more, a little better support for smaller things and test the different piece. I got used to what I said. Sauce pants. My dad is coming up to just a 1 week in trading. We've had 2 bad weeks so far this year. It's been 39 every week. No council midweek is hard to make it long term. And IRS.
Still looking for a potential entry here.
We'll take a small loss.
This area.
Down. Probability smart, so side A, but so I follow where the probabilities are to be able to risk. I mean, it's on the skating.
Still watching.
It's showing us we came down, we got that 560 here pulse. Now we're trying to break out. If we fail this, yes, we're taking a loss, but it shows us that the retrospective endings. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the contracts off right here, just to be safe. 560.4. I like Friday and just as price action, so I take a few contracts off. 560.1 out.
I mean, it looks like it wants to push. I'm personally not going to take it. Might regret it, but you know, we got. Oh my god, there you go. We got news dropping in 1 minute. Contracts really aren't moving, so I'm personally just gonna sit this one out. Need to get my all my future stuff set up.
Stocks 560. I just don't want to trust this price action, so 560, you know, stop, small loss, not one, contracts are further up, but still think the good trade is going to stop. So might be a little below 560.
Oh, Meta's about to hit the level too. See what happens with it.
Stop, small.
There we go.
Break above it,
That's weird. It's a red candle on SPY, but a doji on ES. Same thing with Meta too. I mean, we just hit the level. Not in love with the setup though. If this meta pushes, absolutely SPY's going with it. So if you guys are in SPY calls,
no thanks.
I am watching this meta.
I'm starting 560. Out of this, not doing this trade, not doing it. Stop my thoughts, slightly around.
So if you guys couldn't tell already, price action here on SPY and QQQ are ass today. So I think it's pretty straightforward that because what is this? We're an hour into open. Typically, the way that I understand if I should be trading on the day is within the first hour. Right? We've done nothing in the first hour. We're literally flat. So that to me, it's a sign that hey, today's probably not the best day to trade. Now, could something happen later that offers a better setup? Absolutely. But to me, this price action is terrible. Only trade I've taken is Amazon. That's where I saw the risk to reward earlier. But let's see what happens with Amazon at 534.50. It looks like we broke through that 8 EMA.
Still looks like still looks more than I thought.
Alrighty. I don't know. To me, personally, the SPY overall structure looks like it wants up. Right? We have the 5-minute squeeze that we've been holding all morning. We're still holding structure above the 8 EMA, 21 EMA, and VWAP. It's just every time we pop up, they sell it back off. That's the only issue. So, again, from the lower time frame, what we're seeing on this 5-minute, it looks like it wants to go higher. But again, that's me talking without a position. That's just me talking out loud. There you go. Now we can look for something. Now we're getting movement. See what we can get. Damn, what's crazy is those contracts still only move like 25, 30 bucks.
I had to take two losses on futures in order to keep a reasonable Oh my gosh, we are back, baby! Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna look for a pullback now that we finally got that breakout. I think we're in the gap fill now, right? Yep. We are in the gap fill. So let's see if we get a solid 5-minute candle close up here. Potentially watch that 560.84, which is the gap entry. See what happens. Possible long entry there. So what is that? 560.84. Watch 561 calls. See what happens. 560.84.
So,
I actually see a better setup here. See how we close this 5 minute. Maybe we get a little fair value gap. Then we find that 8 EMA inside the fair value gap. You say something, me, Grizz? I think you just want to order some weird rolls.
beginning, yeah.
All right, yes, I do see a very nice setup here. This I'm absolutely willing to take. As long as they don't fill the gap, I think they're about to. Yeah, they're about to. 562.1. No, I didn't take anything on SPY. The only thing I took so far today was Amazon. Again, to me, this is just untradeable. Like I said, the overall structure, like we literally talked about it on this candle, looks like they want to push it. But that was me talking without a position. I didn't like how we would constantly pop up and then sell off. So we're at the gap fill now. I'd be interested to see if we come back down into this. What time is it? 10:42. I'll give the market like another 20 minutes. I'm gonna go pick up my mom soon.
That capital is 563. Telling you, let's all say, look, if they start doing this thing where they move it past the market high, they bring it down, shake the ball out, and get rid of it. I was going to say, they guys been trying to shake us out all week. You know, start being a little bit. risk goes back, more so. This guy's doesn't do that.
Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, well, yeah, it was just a 1 hour 21 EMA yesterday. I'd be interested if we pull back towards like 561, possibly look for some longs. How'd those contracts end up moving? Yes, it is fair value gap. All right, so let's see. We got SPY to fill the gap. SPX still has the gap to fill. Starting at 56.2250. All right, watch potential calls here. Yeah, I'm watching this area right here. Spy. Oh, Meta's at VWAP too. I prefer this spy though. Go off on a limb and say that setup is invalid.
This price action is bananas. I feel that, yeah, now that the test works and I pop up.
You got smoked. What did you trade?
Oh, it's, I think it's something to do with tagging. Notice all everything. I'm shocked. Sure.
Still, the only trade I took today was Amazon. Well, you tried the calls. Why'd you try the calls? There was no confirmation. Again, we never want to take a trade just because it touches the level. We always need confirmation. If there's no confirmation, there's no trade. Yo, what's up? What's up? Damn, what a sell-off.
actually too good to walk away.
And real quick, everybody in the YouTube, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you got those bell notifications on so you're notified every single time I upload a brand new video, every single time I go live, all that good stuff. Because the live trading is back, baby. Take 2 seconds, head on over to my channel, turn on those bells. Everybody in the TikTok, if you haven't, check out my YouTube channel. 1,100 videos teach you guys on how to trade. Can't go wrong. All right, the last possible thing that I see is a meta bounce 531.7. It's the last thing. Let's see. 7:30. Hold on, I gotta do math in my head. 11:30. All right.
If the S side loses, you get 600 days of the S button. I'm always a little hesitant when there's like when we have an aggressive drop off in news when it's speculation, you know. Let's see, 600, about 7.
I mean, meta's at the level. We also just bounced off pre-market lows on SPY. Yeah, I mean, I feel like we could bounce, but again, not like.
It's not anything else, just because I want to really agree. I'll sit fine with me, that's okay.
I'm personally not taking it. Again, could it bounce? Yeah, it's like the only area that the last possible area that meta could bounce was at 531.7. But I mean, even that whole move up, contracts literally moved $10. So
So technically speaking, I would be looking for puts, like basically right here, 559.5, 560 resets, but no, it's just that drop was based off the headline. geopolitical stuff, but not stocks for economy. I think it looks okay.
All right. Let's see. Oh, I also have to figure something out. Multitasking. How'd everybody do today, though? You guys make money, lose money? Put it up in the chat. Let me know how you guys are doing. I try to find this email.
Playing out, huh? So short this it's not too bad. That would have been my entry. Very nice. If I put that in 5, that would have been it, but it's super long. I liked it. I love it. I like it. I don't need some more of it. I trade so hard. That's it, son.
All right. There it is. Again, we're bouncing off that pre-market low. Right there. All right, perfect. Okay. Cool. Well, I got some stuff I gotta take care of before I go to the airport. So I'm gonna call it a day here. Again, the only trade I took today was that Amazon. We called a beautiful move on it. Technically, we're done trading within the first 20 minutes. So, again, FOMC minutes day, really didn't expect too much to happen. So I will take that Amazon trade and be happy with it. But we'll do some live trading tomorrow. Other than that, again, make sure you guys are subscribed to the YouTube. Everybody in the TikTok, YouTube is in my bio, but everybody in the YouTube, make sure you guys got them bell notifications on so you're notified every single time I upload, every single time I go live. It takes 2 seconds to do so. Head on over to my channel and click the little bell icon. But yeah, I'm calling here. Everybody have a good one. I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace.